Before the break, we spoke to the Justice Department about the ransomware attack. The hack led to a delay in the systems at the Department of Justice and Constitutional Development, making it hard for parents relying on child maintenance. So to help us understand how badly the delay affected parents, the founder of Child Maintenance Difficulties in SA, Felicity Guest, joins us now via Zoom. Felicity, thank you so much for joining us. Just how badly was the delay of child maintenance payments? The Department of Justice announced on Monday that there were delays, but they didn't specify the time frame. How bad was it?
It was really bad. Everybody was affected that gets their payments via Moja Pay. Unexpectedly, no communication. Some did not have access to social media, so they weren't aware of it. It does seem to be largely resolved in some provinces. Western Cape has not been resolved. Nobody's received their money, as well as some people in other courts. I got a message from a woman about 20 minutes ago saying that her landlord is threatening to evict her because she has not paid her rent. So that is the impact that it's having.
What other stories are you hearing, Felicity, from those who've been affected? Some people might say, well, the delay was only a week, but it has some serious repercussions.
It does have serious repercussions, and it wasn't only a week. People who were expecting their payments at the beginning of the month didn't receive their payments. So it was at least 21 days for most of them. They do stagger it. It's unexpected, particularly in the middle of a pandemic and where people have lost their jobs, and they depend on this contribution to be able to basic things, just feed their children.
For those who you say still haven't received their payments, the beneficiaries haven't received their payments, has there been any contact from the department, any communication on the way forward?
There has been no contact. One of the ladies made contact with a senior person in Western Cape via telephone. He said that he has made an application for them to be able to collect their money in cash from the various courts, but he hadn't had a response from head office. He asked her to ask other people to send in emails, but it's not clear if the emails are working yet, because that would also impact it, to submit complaints to try and motivate for them to be able to do payments.
All right, Felicity, thank you so much for joining us. We know it's been quite a struggle for those beneficiaries who've been left in the latch. Thank you for giving us that information. Felicity Guest, the founder of Child Maintenance Difficulties in SA.